Welcome to my YouTube channel Astha School Shivahar.
Today is our second day and our chapter is second and the name of chapter 4-digit numbers. We all know that there are 10 digits that use in mathematics and that use in our daily life. That number is 0 to 9. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. These 10 digits that use in mathematics and also use in our daily life. When two digits appears together, that called two digits number. When we write two digits together, that called two digit numbers. And when we write three digits together, 234, 234, it is our three digit numbers. We all know there is 0. 0 is the smallest number. Of one digit. 0 is the smallest number of one digit and 9 is the largest number of one digit. 0 is the smallest number of one digit and 9 is the largest number of one digit. By adding 1 to 9. When we add 1 to 9, we get 30. We get 10. And this 10 is the smallest number of two digits. Listen again. By adding 1 to 9. When we add 9 plus 1, we get 10. We get 10. This 10 is the smallest number of two digits. And 99 is the largest number of two digits. 99 is the largest number of two digits. And 10 is the smallest number of two digits. The same process by adding 1 in 99, 1 to 99, we get 100. This 100 is 3 digit numbers. There is 1, 2, 3 and 3 digit. It has 3 digits, so it is 3 digit number. By adding 1 to 99. And this is the largest 3 digit, so this is the smallest number of 3 digits. 100 is the smallest number of 3 digits. And 999 is the largest number of 3 digits. This is 3 digit number. And again, by adding 1 to 999, we get 1000. This 1000 is 4 digit number. That's our chapter. By adding 1 to 999, we get 1000. This 1000 is 4 digit number. And this is the smallest number of 4 digits. And 9999 is the largest number of 4 digits. 1000 is the smallest number of 4 digits and 9999 is the largest number of 4 digits. And the next when by adding 1 to 9999 we get 10,000. And this 10,000 is the smallest number of 5 digits. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is 5 digit numbers. and this 10,000 is the smallest number of 5 digits. 99,999 is the largest number of 5 digits. Same process. We get the smallest number of 6 digits, we get the smallest number of 7 digits, we get the largest number of 6 digits and largest number of 7 digits, 8 digits, and so on. And then next, when you have to write 4 digit number in place value chart, here is 4 digit number 2, 3, 5 and 6. 2305. 2356 is our 4 digit numbers. When we write it in words, that's our number name. 2300 56 is our number name and is our numerals. When you have to write these 2356 in place value chart, first of all you have to draw a box. Here is a box. We all know ones, tens, 100 and 1000. It is a place value chart. It is our place value chart. This 6 for ones, we write 6 here for ones, we write 5 for tens, and we write 3 for 100 and 2 for 1000. The position of 5 in 2356 is tens. The position of 3 in 2356 is 100. And the position of 2 in 2356 is 2000. You can write in this way: 6 for ones, 50 for tens, plus 3 for 100 and 2 for 1000. When we write it in this way, it is our expanded form. When we write this numbers in this way, 2000 plus 300 plus 50 plus 6 is our expanded form. But when we write it in this way, 2356, it is our short form. This is the way to find out the expanded form of any numbers, and this is the way of find out the short form of any numbers. And when we have to find out the place value of any digit of these numbers, when we have to find out the place value of 3 in 2356, what is the place value of 3? To find out the place value of any digit, first of all we have to find out the position of this digit in this number. What is the number? What is the position of 3 in this number? The position of 3 in this number is 100. Ones, tens, 100 and 1000. The position of 3 is 100 in this chart. Here is 3 and here is the its position. 3 into 100. 300 is the place value of 3 in this number. Next number 5987. That's their position in this chart. This 7 for ones, this 8 for tens, this 9 for 100, and this 5 for 1000. You can write it in this way. In expanded form, 5980 plus 7. 7 ones, 8 tens, 900, 5000. It is our expanded form, but when we write it in this way, 5987, it is our short form. we have to find out the place value of 5 in this number. First of all, we have to find out the position of 5 in this number. What is the position of 5 in this number? The position of 5 in this number is 1000. Then find the place value of 5. 5 into 1000 equal to 5000 is the place value of 5. Next example. There is other number 2379. 2379 is the number. You have to find out the place value of 9 in this number. First of all, we have to find out the position of 9 in this chart. We can write 9 for ones, 7 for tens, 3 for 100 and 2 for 1000. So the place value of 9 place value of 9 is 9. The position of 9 is here ones, so we can write 9 for 9 in the place value. We all know the place value of any digit, the digit is itself. When we have to find out the place value of 3, the place value of 3 is 3, the place value of 2 is 2, the place value of 7 is 7, the place value of 9 is 9. The place value of any digit, the digit itself. And the place value of any number, it depends on their position. This is our place value and this is our place value. And there is no place value and place value of 0. See another example. There is ones, tens, 100 and 1000. When you have to find out the place value of 2304. The position of 4 is 4 ones, the position of 0 is tens, the position of 3 is 100 and the position of 2 is 1000. When we have to find out the place value of 0, there is no place value and no place value of 0. The position of 0 is tens into 1, sorry 0 into tens equal to 0 and the place value of 0 is 0. When you have to find out the place value of 2, the place value of 2 is 2, the place value of 3 is 3. This is your total place value and face value. Now you have to know which one is greater and which one is smaller and which is equal. There is two numbers given, 2376 and 5789. Which one is greater than and which one is smaller? First of all, we have to tally this number. Here is the 2 and this is 5. 2 and 5. Which one is greater? We all know 5 is greater than 2. So 2376 is smaller than 5089. Or we can say in this way 5789 is greater than 2376. Let's see other example. Which one is greater than? Here is 3 and here is 3. Both are equal. And here is 3 and here is 3. Both are equals. And then next here is 7 and here is 6. Which one is greater? all know 7 is greater than 6. So 3,375 is greater than 3,365. And the next, which one is greater than? First of all, we add this position and this position. Here is 5 and here is 3. 5 is greater than 3. So 5,726 is greater than 3,251. So this one, this symbol is applied here. And here is 5,555. And here is 5,555. You can compare these two numbers. Both are equal. This 5 and this 5 are equal. And LCM 5 and 5 is here. These both are equal. And these both are also equal. And these both are also equal. So 5,555 is equal to 5,555. After doing it, we can arrange it in ascending order and in descending order. Start ascending and descending. In 4-digit numbers. 1,325, 2,325 and 1,256. You have to write it in ascending order. You can write these numbers on abacus also. This is an abacus. For 4-digit numbers, ones, tens, hundred, and thousand. There is 2 circles in this line. You can write here 2. Here is 3 circles in this line, so you can write here 3. Here is 3 circles on this line, in the position of 100, and here is 4 circles in this line, the position of 1000. 4 circles. You can write 4,330. 332. 2 in the position of ones, 3 in the position of tens, and this 3 in the position of 100, and this position of 1000. And now you have to write it, these numbers in ascending order. First of all, you have to compare these numbers, which is the smallest. The smallest number in this series. Here is 1, here is 2, and here is 1. This is the largest number of this series. Then leave it, and we have to compare these two numbers. Here is 1, and here is also 1. Here is 3, and here is 2. In ascending order, we have to write first of all the smallest number of that series. So 1,256 is the smallest number of this series. And now you have to compare in these two numbers. There is 1 and here is 2. 2 is greater than 1. 2,325 is greater than 1,325. So we can write here 1,325, and lastly 2,325. This is our in ascending order. And when we have to write it in descending order, take an example. 2576, 3,332, 4300, 3300. You have to compare in this series which number is greatest in descending order. We have to write the greatest number of this series. So you compare three numbers. Here is 2, 3 and this is 3. This 2 is smaller than these two numbers. Then leave it and you have to compare in these two numbers. Here is 3 and here is 3 also. Both are equal. And here is 3 and here is 3. These 3 and these 3 both are equal also. And here is 3 and here is 0. 3 is greater than 0. So we have to write 3332 and then compare. It has been written and we have to compare in these two numbers. Here is 2 and here is 3. This 3302 is greater than 2576. Then you have to write 3302 greater than 2576. This is in our descending order and this is our in ascending order. Let's solve with other example. Here is 4-digit numbers: 2356, 4322, and 5321. We have to first of all you have to compare these two numbers. You have to write it in ascending order. Here is 2, here is 4, and here is 5. We all know 2 is smaller than these two numbers. So we have to write here 2356 is smaller than 4332, and 4322 is smaller than 5320. We have to compare only first digit of this number, then we find out our answer. And when we have to write it in descending order, here is another example: 2321, 2320, and 2390. We have to write it in descending order. We have to tell these two numbers. But we will compare in these two numbers. Here is 2 and here is 2, both are equal. Here is 3 and here is 3, both are equal. And here is 2, here is both are equal. If you write it in, sorry, you have to compare not in 2 numbers but in 3 numbers. Here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, here is 2, here is 3, here is 2, and here is 3. These 2 digits are equal in this series, and here is 2, here is 2, and here is 9. We have to write the largest number of this series. One is the smallest number of this in this series, and this 2 and this 2. Then we have to compare it in these two numbers. Here is 1 and here is 0. So 2321, and then here is 0 and here is 9. 2320 and 2390 is in our descending order. That's all your exercise of 4-digit numbers, and you have to do your exercise 4-digit numbers.
Thanks for watching this video.